खूब काळ जालो गोंयान इंटरनॅशनल क्रिकेट जावंक ना. गोंयकारांक एक ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी गावना इंटरनॅशनल क्रिकेट पळोवपाक. ही कारणां वेगळी वेगळी आहा, पूण गेमी पळोवपाक गावपा जाय आमकां. लायव्ह क्रिकेट पळोवपाक गावपा जाय आनी हेजेर आमचे JCAन प्रयत्न करपा जाय. जाता तितके वेगळ्या इंटरनॅशनल क्रिकेट गोंयान येवपाक, एक बरो स्टेडियम जावपाक. आनी आमचो लोक उत्साही आहा. म्हाका दिसता ही जागा पावची नासली, सगळ्यांक आपयल्ली ही जागा पावची नासली. हे भाशेन लोक उत्साही आहा. म्हणटकच ही लोकांची एस्पिरेशन्स आहात ती पूर्ण करपाक म्हाका दिसता JCAन थोडे फास्ट ट्रॅकार वयचे पडटले. हे स्लो ट्रॅकार रावन जमचें ना. काळाची गरज आहा ती.
सगळ्या स्टेटीचे आपले स्वताचे ग्राउंड आहा आणि खंय तरी गोवा क्रिकेट असोसिएशनाचो आपलो ग्राउंड ना तेन्ना हो जो ग्राउंड आहा म्हणजे ताका लागणारे जे सहकारी आम्ही सध्या ह्याच्या संदर्भात विषय चालू केल्लो आहा. आम्ही आमचे हेचे उपाध्यक्ष GCAचे उपाध्यक्ष प्रभुदेसाय, आम्ही थिवीचे आमदार किरण कानोळकरांशी उलाप चालू केल्ले. फुडली फेरी आहा ती डेप्युटी CM कडेन बसपाचे आमी असले. बाब चेतन देसाय लिडिंग करणारी तिची कमिटी आनी तिचे सगळे जे मेंबर आहा त्यांचो कार्यकाळ आहा. या विधीन त्या टायमान जर हो ग्राउंड जाय जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता एकदम बरें जातले. आनी ताका जे कितें सहकारी आहा सगळे सहकारी आमचे आसतले, त्या बद्दल कांय ना.
The best of the people who have been always blessed us, and Goa Cricket Association came into, the managing committee came into power in the last week of July. Since then, it was a promise to our clubs that the prize distribution ceremony, which was unheld for last 2 years, that we would do it as soon as we are here. Also, the grants to the clubs were not given, and we have given a grant of rupees 3 lakhs, that is 1.5 lakh each year for the 2 years respectively to all the clubs. Almost 80% of the clubs have been given, 20% are remaining, but they will get their grants as soon as the funds are made available.
As far as cricket is concerned, I would like to congratulate all of you who have won the trophies. All the very best to the ones who stood runners up, because though you have not won the tournament, but sports is all about competing and giving your best. So doesn't matter whatever the learnings are. It's important that once you go to the next tournament, people who have won in the C, they will go to B goes to A, and the competition goes on. So what I would say is make the most of the facilities. As cricketers, at times we get caught up with saying, okay, we don't have this facility, other states have these facilities, or other associations have these other facilities that we should also get. But what's most important is to make the most of what we have, because development takes a lot of time. Making a stadium is something for which you need a great vision, but at the same time, more than just making the stadium, the difficult part is to maintain a stadium. So it's a long process, and the effort of all of you guys towards cricket will definitely help. And as far as only cricket is concerned, I feel all these tournaments are the key factor for Goa to do well at the first class level. It's important that all of you put 100% effort in the respective tournaments, because the coming generation, they are the ones that learn cricket from all these tournaments, right from C division cricket, graduating into the Premier League. That's how you get players. So again, as I would say, it's a perfect platform for all of you. Also, you keep working hard, you keep doing well for Goa, and ultimately you're trying to raise the profile of your association when it comes to Indian cricket and international cricket.